Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you recently started using a MacBook, you might be wondering how to scroll using the trackpad. Unlike many laptops that rely on a scroll wheel on the mouse, MacBooks use simple trackpad gestures that make scrolling through web pages, documents and apps very smoothly. In this video, I will show you how to scroll on a MacBook using the trackpad, the exact gesture you need to use, and a few useful tips that can make scrolling easier and more comfortable. So if you are new to Mac, just want to understand how MacBook trackpad scrolling works, keep watching. Let's get started. First, you can see here Apple icon. Click on this Apple icon. Now click on System Preferences. Now you can see here trackpad option. Just click on the trackpad. Now you can see on the top there are three tabs: point and click, scroll and zoom, and last more gestures. Let's start with scroll and zoom. You can see here scroll direction, how you can scroll between the pages or on any website like this with your two fingers. And secondly, if you want zoom in or out, just pinch with two fingers like this. In this video it is showing. And third, smart zoom. Just double tap with two fingers on your trackpad to smart zoom. And to rotate with two fingers like this. So this is the functions in scroll and zoom. Let's check more gestures as well. You can see here swipe between two pages. Just scroll left or right with two fingers in your trackpad like this. In this video it is showing. And next, swipe between full screen apps. How you can swipe between full screen apps? Swipe left or right with three fingers. Use your three fingers on your trackpad or swipe. Just swipe. And notification center. How you can open your notification center? Just swipe left from the right edge with two fingers like this. Left from the right edge with two fingers. And how to open mission control? Just swipe up with three fingers like this. Just swipe your three fingers upside to open mission control. And app expose. How you can expose any apps which is open on your background? Just swipe down with three fingers like it is showing in this video. Swipe your three fingers down like this. Yes. And Launchpad. Just pinch with thumb and three fingers to open Launchpad. It is showing in this video like this. And how to show desktop? Just spread with thumb and three fingers. Spread your thumb and three fingers. It is showing here. So this is the ways of scrolling. Okay, now let's check point and click as well. Lookup and data detectors. How to look up and detect data? Tap with three fingers on your trackpad to open lookup and data detectors. How to open secondary click? Click or tap with two fingers on your trackpad to open secondary click. Now tap to click, tap with one finger. Yes, it is simplest way. So this is the simple steps. You can easily scroll on a MacBook using the trackpad just by using the two finger scrolling gestures or two or more fingers for different gestures. You can quickly move through pages, documents, different apps without needing any external mouse. Once you get used to the trackpad gestures, scrolling on a MacBook becomes very smooth and natural. I hope this video helped you understand how to scroll using the MacBook trackpad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple MacBook tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.